Welcome back once again. In this part, we will implement our alert dialog. So for doing this, first we need to create an object of our alert dialog. So alert dialog.builder builder is equal to new alert dialog.builder. This and we need to add our activity name. So main activity.this. Now builder dot set title. We can call it attention and builder dot set message. We can call this is our first dialog. And now this builder dot show. Now run these apps. So it will take few time to complete Gradle build. So now done. So now if we open our apps, now we can see our button. Now if we click this button, now we can see our alert dialog. So we successfully implement our alert dialog. Now we need to add two buttons inside our alert dialog. So how can we do it? So for doing this, alert dialog provides us two methods. One is set positive button and one is set negative button. First add a alert dialog. Dialog is equal to builder.create. Now dialog dot set cancelable false. Now if we click outside of the dialog, then our dialog will not remove. Now this dialog dot you can see now this builder dot I think so this builder dot set positive button, we can call it yes and new positive button. The new dialog interface on click listener. Okay. Now in here we can now we need to dismiss our dialog. So dialog dot dismiss. If we click this button, then we will dismiss our dialog and we need to pass a toast message. So toast dot make text get application context, and we can pass it yes and toast dot length long dot show. And this builder dot set negative button. We can choose no and new dialog interface. And dialog dot dismiss and toast dot make text get application context and no and toast dot length long dot show. All right. So all done now. I think we don't need to use this alert dialog and dialog cancelable. So if we run these apps, let's see. Now if we click this icon, now we can see our dialog, but we can't see our button, and the reason is that we did a mistake here. We use alert dialog and it said set cancelable, but we did not show it builder.show. So what we need to do, I think we don't need to use any alert dialog right now here, and we need to show our this builder. So at the bottom, or we can use it, or but we can show it this builder method. Okay, we need to show our alert.builder object, that builder.show. Now hopefully it will work. Now if you click this dialog button, now we can see our data. So click no and no, and click yes and it yes. So all done perfectly. All right, so we implement our alert dialog and we added two click listener. One is for our set positive button and one is for our set negative button. I think it's work perfectly.